Our story begins in Switzerland on December 17, 1912, when Willi Studer was born in the village of Hettingen near Zurich. Studer was a self-taught electronics engineer with an obsessive attention to precision, a quality that would define every product his company ever made. On January 5th, 1948, Studer founded his company. In the decades that follow, his team produced a series of tape machines that would become the standard in recording studios around the world. The first landmark was the Studer J37, released in 1964. It's important to note that the J37 is one of the most historically significant recording devices ever built because in 1967, at Abbey Road Studios in London, two Studer J37 four-track machines were connected together to record what many consider the greatest album in the history of popular music, Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band by the Beatles. That album's groundbreaking sonic experiments, the tape loops, the speed manipulation, the layered orchestration were all made possible by the J37. Then came the Studer A80 in 1970, which stayed in production for an astonishing 18 years. The A80 was the machine used for Pink Floyd's The Dark Side of the Moon and many of ABBA's landmark recordings. But the machine that concerns us today is the Studer A800, which was introduced in 1978. The A800 was a revolution. It was the first tape machine in the world to feature microprocessor-controlled transport. Think about that for a moment. In 1978, Studer was already integrating digital intelligence into analog recording hardware. The machine weighed approximately 900 pounds, supported three tape speeds, 7.5, 15, and 30 inches per second, and used 2-inch tape across 24 tracks. The A800 went through three revisions, Mark I, Mark II, and Mark III, before being discontinued in 1988. But in its decade of production, it became the multi-track recorder of choice for some of the most iconic records ever made. Willi Studer received an honorary doctorate from ETH Zurich in 1978 and the AES Gold Medal in 1982, the highest honor in audio engineering. He passed away on March 1st, 1996, but his machines live on in studios around the world and now in the Universal Audio's plugin. The beauty of the UA Studer A800 plugin lies in its provenance. UA unveiled the plugin at January 2011 NAMM show, and it was modeled from a specific machine, the Studer A800, owned by legendary engineer Alan Sides at Ocean Way Studios in Hollywood.